I said to my colleagues I didn't really want to do this. Anyway, go ahead.
Manslaughter charge, is that enough? Sufficient?
I very strongly condemn the decision of the Director of Public Prosecutions to institute manslaughter charges. We're not going to leave it there. We will commence proceedings, prerogative proceedings, to review that decision with a view to seeking an order of the court directing her to charge the defendant with murder. And the basis for that is this. We have statements which confirm that he was murdered. The only thing we did not have was the name of the police officer. We now have the name of the police officer. And one of two things will happen. Either we will file criminal charges for murder against the police officer, or we will bring judicial review proceedings against the Director of Public Prosecutions to quash her decision to charge manslaughter and not murder, because the standard operating procedures of the police were clearly breached, and that those are the standard operating procedures for the use of weapons in those conditions. We know for a fact that Mr. Boston was not one of the targets of that SWAT visit to Essequibo. They went there to arrest persons who were wanted for murder, and up to now there's been no explanation. So apart from the officer who discharged the round, the head of that squad team, I believe, is also criminally liable, culpable, and there should be additional charges, because there's no explanation about why they left their designated mission to go to Mr. Boston's house, who had no history of any violence, never had any interaction with the police, enter his premises heavily armed with